Welcome, 12th standard students. Subject Mathematics. Presenting lesson Applications of Derivatives. In first session, explain concept related to the equation of tangent and equation of normal. Let us continue with second application. Rate measure. First concept, displacement, that is a particle move from one place to another place. Displacement of a particle at a particular time t is denoted by letter s. Mathematically, displacement s can be expressed as an equation in terms of time t. Second is velocity. Mathematically, in terms of derivative, definition expressed as rate of change of displacement with respect to the time t. Let us see. The rate of change of displacement at time t is called velocity, and velocity is denoted by letter v. Defined as velocity v is equal to ds upon dt, derivative of displacement with respect to the time t, getting velocity. Third, acceleration. Definition: the rate of change of velocity at time t is called acceleration. I repeat, the rate of change of velocity at time t is called acceleration. Acceleration denoted by small letter a and defined as mathematically acceleration a is equal to dv upon dt, that is rate of change of velocity corresponds to time, writing dv upon dt, derivative of v with respect to the time t. And last is jerk. It is the rate of change of acceleration. Rate of change of acceleration at time t is called jerk, and this jerk quantity denoted by letter j and defined as j is equal to dA upon dt, that is derivative of acceleration with respect to the time t. Let us continue with numericals for rate measure. Question will be asked as, let us see example first. The displacement s of a particle at a time t is given by s is equal to t cube minus 4t square minus 5t. Find its velocity and acceleration at time t is equal to 2 seconds. First, in answer, writing given part. Given is displacement equation, that is displacement s of a particle at time t, s is equal to t cube minus 4t square minus 5t. To find out velocity and acceleration, first we find out velocity and acceleration equations, and then using particular condition at time t is equal to 2 seconds. Let us see first velocity. Definition is already known. Velocity ds by dt. So v is equal to ds by dt. Displacement s value substitute. We get d by dt of t cube minus 4t square minus 5t. One by one derivative writing. T cube derivative 3 times t square. T square derivative 2 times t multiplied with 4, you will get 8 times t, minus 5 into derivative of t is 1, 1 multiplied 5, you will get 5. Hence velocity equation is obtained here, 3 times t square minus 8 to minus 5. In particular, to find out velocity at time t is equal to 2 seconds. So in this above equation, substitute value for time t is equal to 2 seconds. Therefore, velocity v is equal to 3 times 2 square minus 8 times 2 minus 5. Check calculation. 2 square 4. 4 multiplied with 3, you will get 12. And 8 into 2, 16. Minus 5 as it is. Total 12 minus 16 minus 4 and minus 5. Total is obtained minus 9. Hence, velocity v is obtained minus 9 unit per second. So here first part is complete, that is value for velocity at time t is equal to 2 seconds. Second part, to find out acceleration. Let us see second case for acceleration. Acceleration formula, rate of change of velocity correspond to the time period t. So A is equal to dv upon dt. Velocity equation, here we have already calculated. Velocity equation, 3 times t square minus 8t minus 5. Finding its derivative, check. Acceleration A is equal to d by dt of velocity equation 3t square minus 8t minus 5. Calculating derivative, t square derivative, 2 times t, multiply with 3, you will get 6 times t, check. Minus 8t derivative, minus 8. 5 constant, derivative 0, no need to write. Hence, acceleration equation is obtained 6 times t minus 8. To find out value of acceleration at time t is equal to 2 seconds, apply condition at t equal to 2 seconds. Acceleration A is equal to 6 times 2 minus 8. 6 into 2, 12. 12 minus 8, difference is 4. Hence, acceleration is equal to 4 unit per second square. Very simple problem. You are given displacement equation to find out velocity and acceleration at time t is equal to 2 seconds. Let us continue problem second. Question: the displacement s of a particle at time t is given by equation s is equal to 2 times t cube minus 5 times t square plus 4t minus 3. To find out value for time when acceleration is 14 feet per second, provided value of acceleration. First case, finding time. Second case, its velocity and displacement at that time. The time period which is obtained in first case used to find out velocity and displacement. See, solution for problem. First, writing given equation, displacement s of a particle at time t, 2 times t cube minus 5 times t square plus 4t minus 3. We calculate velocity equation and acceleration equation both. Velocity is ds by dt, that is equal to d by dt of displacement s equation 2t cube minus 5t square plus 4t minus 3. Derivative of 2 times t cube, answer 6 times t square. 5t square derivative 10 times t and 4t derivative 4. This is velocity equation obtained. Second, Acceleration equation. Acceleration A is equal to dv upon dt, that is equal to d by dt of 6t square minus 10t plus 4. Derivative of each terms, 6t square derivative 12t minus 10t derivative 10, 4 constant derivative 0, don't write. Acceleration equation is obtained. Let us see, condition is provided. Given acceleration is 14 feet per second square. Using this condition in the equation, substitute value for acceleration A as a 14 feet per second square. We get 14 is equal to 12t minus of 10. This minus 10 shifted to right hand side. It will be get added with 14. So 14 plus 10, total 24. Then multiplicative 12 shifted to right hand side, get divided to 24. 24 divided by 12, division, answer is 2. Hence time is obtained 2, unit is second. First case over. To find out time for condition acceleration is 14 feet per second square. Now second condition, to find out velocity and acceleration both at the same time t equal to 2 seconds. So let us continue. Second sub question, to find out velocity. First equation of velocity calculated, same taken here, 6t square minus 10t plus 4. Substitute value for time t is equal to 2 seconds. We get v equal to 6 times 2 square minus 10 times 2 plus 4. 2 square 4. 4 into 6, 24. 24 minus 10 into 2, 20 plus 4. 24 minus 20, difference 4 plus 4, total is obtained 8 unit feet per second. Last is remaining displacement. Equation for displacement S taken here same, 2t cube minus 5t square plus 4t minus 3. Calculate at the same time t equal to 2 seconds. Value for displacement S is equal to 2 times 2 cube minus 5 times 2 square plus 4 times 2 minus 3. Calculation, 2 cube is 8 multiplied with 2, you will get 16. Next, 2 square 4 into 5, 20. 4 into 2, 8. Minus 3 as it is. Check for total. 16 plus 8, 24. Minus 20 minus 3 minus 23. That is 24 minus 23. Difference is 1. Hence, displacement is obtained 1 feet. So required values for velocity and displacement calculated in this problem. So in rate measure, question is asked for finding values of velocity, acceleration or displacement at a particular time. Okay, we stop here. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.